Hi, I'm Steffen from MJR, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a manufacturing order with options. Okay, let's start. As you can see, I'm in Netlink, and this is the creation of a manufacturing order. You can see these options down here. And to do this with Uploadia, we have to create a template, which I've already did. This one right here, Uploadia MO. Let's see how this is looking. And here we have the tab options. And then we can say we want to provide only the default value, which is include primary BOM checked, and provide default value only, include primary routing checked. So those are the two options we want to use. And for the attributes, we've added these. And then we can click Save, Continue, and now we can use this template. In Uploadia, this is looking a bit different. I've prepared an Excel file, and it is looking like this. We have the manufacturing order number, we have the due date, the item, quantity, reference, a job number, the warehouse, the start date, the accounting class, and the name of the template. I'm going to show you how to map that in Uploadia in just a second. So this is the manufacturing order creation Excel file, and we're going to upload it into Uploadia. I'm logging in into the set environment. So now Uploadia is loading all the business objects. You can see on the right side, I've already marked the manufacturing orders as a favorite, so I have it on the top, and then I'm going to click this icon, select MO with options, take the manufacturing order, Excel file or the Excel sheet, and I take my business object, and now you can see that it auto-mapped these attributes because they have the same name, and the other ones we'll do them manually. So quantity is total order quantity, warehouse is item warehouse, and we have date, scheduled start date, the accounting class is this one, and for the template we're doing a right click and selecting use as apply template. And now you can see there is a little icon that appeared over here, which is marking this one as a template. So that's it. We can save it. And now we can upload. Alright, it turned green, so this is looking fine. Let's check how this is looking in Netlink. If we cancel this, and I have a filter on status 10, if I refresh, then we have our manufacturing order for the item, revision, job number, quantity, due date, reference, everything in here. Let's check how it looks inside. If we go to components, we have all the different components in here, and if we go to operations, we also have all the operations in here. So those were the two options we've marked, and yeah, that's how easy it is to create manufacturing order with options in Uploadia. If you would like to know more about Uploadia and get a demo with your own use cases, don't hesitate to contact us.